never seen. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rapping act Mr. Magic Molly Ball. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hands of man. Make some motherfucking noise, Trendsettaz! I want to do something different. They look like they was rocking with some classic shit, so I'm gonna put some classic shit on. Let me see your hands in the air if y'all wanna hear me rock over some classic big words. So these ones, let's go! Ready? Ready for war, show let these niggas know you hot. With the talent you got, you gotta get in, so that's part of my pop. And through the day, don't do it more than ready. He's on the line and shows up when you blow up, showed up, I'm talking confetti. Let everybody spit this fucking ball, you gon' let fuck them all. Let me get a buzz, but it'll be nothing more. What you be spitting is different, I listen and vision your competition, listen, wishing you didn't get on the ditch. Nigga, when I say hip, everybody say hop. Hip, hip. I said when I say hip, you gotta say hop. Hip, hip. Put your motherfucking hands in the air. If you're saying the real hip hop. If you tired of some of that shit y'all hear on the radio, you want motherfuckers to get back to ramen. Niggas are start digging in on cans and pins. I need to see the truth, the peace out of the air, peace out of the air. There's a good affair right here. What up? This is hip-hop. I ain't trying to bring New York back. I'm just a breath of fresh air. That good old New York rap. Slick talk to the track. Come on, who brought that to the game? The video on the train, get up in there. I don't feel how I used to feel. In my 20s, so a new Nas joint used to give me the chill. In a barbershop, John got a new hot take. Bob loads and drains with a 2-ounce grain of hip-hop. It gets some affair first. If you from the south, then it snaps to your hands up. If you from the west, then we using it. If you from the east coast, act like you from here. It's good old two-step, classic hip-hop. This is hip-hop, hands up. If you ever been a hip-hop, I wake up hip-hop, go to sleep hip-hop, dream about hip-hop, cause I am hip-hop. Oh man, one more time. This is hip-hop, hands up. If you ever been a hip-hop, I wake up hip-hop, go to sleep hip-hop, dream about hip-hop, cause I am hip-hop. Oh man, make some noise, y'all. The public so I'm serving, close phone forever serving. I be out there putting work. Know them dirty boys working if they nanny to the chest. So when I go see a person, I spin the block, so I'm certain that it's I'm no fool, see Raul is more than reckless, so I meet him when it's busy at that Mika Burger exit off the beat. And occasionally treat myself to a nice little fishing trip. I'm really in the street, being approached by enemy. Teacher said I'm strong, but I dropped out and I don't chemistry. I make it something hard. Me, my homie, Vito, in the parking lot of Home Depot of Northern Boulevard. I got my rope down pat, I'm about my stack. And my mouth don't chat all of my put on this that, so I'm trying to get that though. Need no visibility, oh no, I stay low. And that knee so hard to Chevy, knee so hard to Chevy, knee so hard to Chevy. My stash is never empty, baby, knee so hard to Chevy, knee so hard to Chevy, knee so hard to Chevy. If the D's will never get mad, my name is Joell Ortiz, I love y'all.